Student, this is lecture number 3, unit number 2, reproduction in lower and higher animal. We have seen in last lecture gametogenesis. In that gametogenesis, there is the spermatogenesis and oogenesis. In that spermatogenesis is the male production, and in that oogenesis there is the female reproductive system. Means that there is the egg or ovum. So we will see the now fertilization. Sexual reproduction primarily involve formation and fusion of gamete. Fertilization is the later process which involves fusion of the haploid male and female gamete, resulting in the formation of diploid zygote. Like in other mammals, in humans, the process of fertilization is internal and it usually takes place in the ampulla of the uterine tube. The fertilization egg or zygote will develop into embryo, and this process occurs within the uterus. We have seen that this is the process of fertilization. These are the egg nucleus of the female. These are the sperm nucleus. This sperm or nucleus enter into the egg or ovum. Then here in that egg there is the male pronucleus and here female pronucleus. So male and female pronucleus there are interacted between them. So last is there is fertilization completes, there is the zygote are ready. So after the sperm penetrate the secondary octet, the octet completes meiosis second, forming the ovum and second polar body. So second sperm and ovum nuclei swell, forming pronuclei. Pronuclei approach each other and mitotic spindle from between them. Chromosomes of both pronuclei intermix, fertilization is complete. Here male and female pronuclei there is the chromosome are intermix, and last one fertilization is complete, and we will found that zygote. So mechanism of fertilization. Semen released during the ejaculation has sperms and some secretion. The coagulated semen now undergoes liquefaction and sperms become active. So there is the mechanism of fertilization. Movement of sperm towards egg, first one. It involve capacitation of sperm reaching the vagina. Here as many as 50% are broken or destroyed. Remaining sperm undergo capacitation. This process requires 5 to 6 hours. Acrosomes member becomes thin. Ca++ enter the sperm and their tails being to show rapid whiplash movement. As a result, a capacitant sperm becomes extra active and being to start moving upward from vagina to uterus and to the oviduct. Sperm reach up to the ampulla, a result of their own swimming and partly by contraction of uterus and fallopian tube, stimulated by the oxytocin of female. Sperm can remain viable for 24 to 48 hours. Ovum for about 24 hours. Second one, entry of sperm into the egg. Out of 200 to 400 million sperm, only few hundred manage to reach the ampulla. Though, though, though many sperms reach the ampulla, but only a single sperm fertilizes the ovum. A sperm, after reaching the egg or ovum, comes to lie against it. It across release. The separate and dissolve the cell of corona radiate, so the sperm head pass through the zona. There is the significance of fertilization. Secondary octet complete the process of oogenesis and is transformed into a mature ovum. Sex of offspring is determined. The diploid chromosome number is restored in the zygote by the process of synogamy. The ovum lack the centroid necessary for further division are received from the sperm during the fertilization. Fertilization involves the fusion of male and female gamete from the two parents. It results in the variation which are significant to evolution. And last mechanism of fertilization, action of ovum. The ovum before fertilization was at metaphase 2 stage. With a contact of sperm head to the vitelline member of egg, it get activated to resume and complete its meiosis 2. With this it gives out the second polar body. It is the true egg or ovum. Next is fatty of germinal layer. There are the three germinal layer: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. First one, ectoderm. Ectoderm gives rise to epidermis of skin, hair, nail, sweat gland, salivary gland, mammary gland. Next one, teeth, enamel of teeth, internal external ear, pineal gland and entire nervous system. This is the ectoderm. There are the ectoderm layer are present. Second one, mesoderm. Mesoderm form all types of muscles, connective tissue, dermis of skin, adrenal cortex, heart, blood vessel, middle ear, dentate of teeth, urinary and reproductive duct, kidney. There are the mesoderm layer are present. Third one is endoderm. Endoderm develop into the epithelium of mid gut, gland of stomach and intestine, tongue, tonsils, lungs. There are the present endoderm layer. And last point is our pregnancy. Last point is pregnancy. It is the condition of carrying one or more embryos in the uterus. It is also called as a gestation. It refers to period between fertilization of the egg up to perinutrition. The average period of pregnancy in human lasts for 266 days from fertilization or 280 days. This pregnancy period of approximately 9 months is divided into 3 trimesters of 3 months each. So first is first trimester. These are the from fertilization to 12th week. It means that first 3 months. It is the time of most radical change in mother and embryo. The embryo receives nutrition in the first 2 to 4 weeks directly from the endomerium. It is the main period of organogenesis and development of body organ. By the end of 8 week, the major structure found in adult are formed in the embryo in a rudimentary form. The embryo is now called the fetus. It is about 3 centimeter long. Arms, hand, finger, feet, toes are formed. Fetus can open and close mouth and fists. Heartbeat can be heard from 6th week. At the end of first trimester, fetus is about 7 to 10 centimeter long. Meanwhile, the mother's body also undergo rapid changes. High level of progesterone initiated changes in her reproductive system. In this period, mothers experience morning sickness, vomiting, mood swing, etc. Now, second trimester. Second trimester. This is the from 13 to 26 week. Means that next 4, 5, 6th month. It is the period of rapid growth of fetus. The uterus growth enough for pregnancy to become obvious. This fetus is very active and grows about to 30 centimeter. Development of brain beings. Hormones levels stabilize as HCG declines. The ultrasound means sonography at 18 to 20 weeks shows the baby growth and position. From this estimated due date of delivery can be established. Baby's movement can be easily felt by the mother. Head has hair, eyebrows and eyelash appear. The baby reaches half the size of newborn. And last one is third trimester from 27 week till the paturation. The fetus grows about 3 to 4 kg in weight and 50 centimeter in length. Eyes are open. There is gain in body weight. As the fetus grows, the uterus expands around its mother. Abdominal organ become compressed and displaced. At the end of third trimester of the fetus become fully developed and ready for paturation. These are the 3 trimester of pregnancy. Thank you.